All right, we are here at Nikola Customs with the Cybertruck as well as the Juniper. Back there, we are here with Austin, Aimwrap. We're gonna do a couple of things. Number one, we're getting the Cybertruck finally wrapped. And number two, Austin is checking out that rear driver's side door because in some angles, for whatever reason, that wrap isn't like lining up or whatever, and for like other angles it looks fine. So he's checking it out. We're double checking, but things were installed like properly, but I don't know. So he is pulling out the rear door, and we're gonna, well, he is gonna reapply a new wrap on there. But yeah, so the first thing he did is wash the truck. So good looking out, Austin. And he also removed the fender flares so that he could wrap underneath it. Fairly easy to remove, but all 4 flares are removed. All right, we are doing some behind the scenes of a photo shoot with Aimwrap. The wrap has been fixed. We're gonna go check out the results, but we are at a secret location. Secret, I'm whispering because y'all can't know where this place is. Really dope. You're not gonna do that Drex Lee flipping all over the place, the acrobatic shots and stuff? All right, so check out the side view now. Looks a little more consistent than before. So thank you, Austin, for taking care of it. We have to also get it ceramic coated again, that panel or that door anyway, because he ceramic coats all his wraps. So right now we're just we're hanging out here. He's taking photos with his car right over there. I think it's a bit more improved, more consistent, but I think it's just the alignment on my door. If you look at it close, the alignment's a little off on the doors of the Model Y that I got. So shout out to Austin for taking care of that. He always does a good job, and if he doesn't, he'll fix it. And that's why we are here. But he also wanted to do a bit of a photo shoot, so I can't wait to share those photos with you. But do make sure you follow him on Instagram, because he'll be posting it. And also check out his Instagram account, because he does amazing work with the wraps that he's done. So check out that Instagram account and give him a contact. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Stay tuned for the unveiling of the Cybertruck project with Aimwrap.